Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? My name is Kunle Fowowe. I'm a naturopathic expert. I help people with the use of herbal medicine. I still want to be talking about infection this evening. Are you having staphylococcus, gonorrhea, syphilis, trichomoniasis, vaginosis, candidiasis? You have treated this infection for a long period of time. Virtually everybody that calls me, they will tell me, Dr. Kunle, I have taken several injections. I have used so many antibiotics. The major reason why the infection still persists, even after using all these antibiotics and injection, is because the bacteria has grown resistance to the antibiotics. Just like you raising a child. Anytime the child offends you, you're always slapping the child. It gets to a stage that the slapping doesn't make a sense to the child again. It's no more a big deal. Are you getting me now? The same thing happens to these bacteria. Any time you are treating a bacteria, once the bacteria is already used to the antibiotics that you are using, it will not work for it again. It will always dodge the antibiotics, and at the end of the day, you don't get any results. Hope you understand me. Then anytime you are treating infection, that the infection was not totally cleared before you stop the medication, anytime you are taking that medication again, it will not work. Even if it's herbal, it will not work. That's why most people, when you recommend 3 bottles for them, they'll say, let me try with 1. Infection treatment doesn't work that way. I don't know how long you have been treating the infection, whether it's Staphylococcus chronic one, Staphylococcus aureus, whether it's candidiasis, whether it's E. coli. The number one thing you need to know is that whenever you are treating infection, there are foods that you will not be eating. Those of us that were science students, there's something that we call alkalinity and there's something that we call acidity. Now, the more alkaline your body fluid is, the more it cannot accommodate the survival of a bacteria or a yeast or a fungi or even a virus in your system. The more acidic your system is, the more it can accommodate the survival of this bacteria, fungi, virus, or any yeast in your body. Now, when you are treating infection, there are certain set of foods that you don't eat. Number 1, you don't eat sugary things like drinking meat, like eating bread, meat pie, fish pie, pop-off, donut, shawarma, spaghetti, chin-chin. You don't eat okra soup, ogbono soup, egusi soup. When you are treating infection, you don't drink minerals. You don't eat fried things when you are treating infection. Then whenever you are treating infection, make sure you complete your treatment, that you go for a test, that they will tell you that there's no more growth of bacteria in your body. Not that when the symptoms go and you now stop your treatment. You don't treat a bacteria that way. That's how a lot of people do treatment. Whenever they treat infection and once the symptom goes, they stop. It's not done that way. And that's why by the time you want to treat the infection again, the bacteria would have grown resistant. Then note, a lot of people call me also, they will say, Doctor, I've used so many antibiotics and I did not get result. Reason is because that antibiotic that you have taken, it's no more fighting that bacteria. The bacteria has been resistant to be dodging it. Now, what do we use now that helps us? Number 1, I tell you all the food that you need to stay away from. Number 2, your gut must be detoxified. Your gut must be clean if you want to get rid of any bacteria in your system. To heal all diseases, the gut must be clean. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. Now, number 1 thing that I give to my people now, you'll be taking ADF infection destroyer capsules. This is ADF infection destroyer capsules. Then also, you'll be taking, some of you, you'll be taking ADF infection destroyer capsules. ADF infection destroyer capsules. Then you'll be taking the herbal pack as well. Hope you, for those people that have stubborn body. Then also, if the infection had been so long, after you complete your treatment, you will crown it up with the blood cleanser so that it cleans your blood. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. So when you are treating infection, you need to be guided properly by a professional that knows what he's doing. Then if we recommend a particular number of bottles for you, complete your treatment. All those, I want to try how it works, it doesn't work that way. If anybody had treated you before and it doesn't work, maybe they did not administer your treatment very well, or maybe you didn't complete your treatment. Like somebody having heavy growth now, and we recommend that they should take 7 bottles of this, and they have taken 2 or 3 bottles, and they are saying, my body is okay. If at the end of the day, the bacteria is still remaining in your body, you are the one that caused it. Before we recommend any quantity of capsules for you, we must have looked at the level of the growth of your bacteria, or how long you have been having it. We have something that we call scanty growth. We have something that we call moderate growth. We have something that we call heavy growth. All those people, I want to buy 1 bottle. It doesn't work that way. Treat your infection totally. And if you are married, make sure you treat your partner. Don't leave your partner out of it. Hope you understand. I'm saying that everybody that patronize me, they know that I will tell you, you must treat your partner. Then avoid all the food we tell you to avoid. Then after completing of your treatment, you can now take this what we call it, blood cleanser. This blood cleanser, as much as it lasts for 1 month, and it's 4,000 naira for now. I might do another video next year if the price has increased. Hope you understand now. For now, the ADF infection capsule is still 4,000 naira, and it's not 1 bottle you are using. We don't sell 1 bottle. We sell per kit. If you are treating scanty growth, you'll be needing 3 bottles of ADF infection destroyer capsules and 1 ABBA pack. They are all for 4,000 naira. This ABBA pack that you are seeing now, it lasts for 1 week. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. Then if you are in Lagos, you can come to our office at 222 Block A, Primatech Shopping Plaza, Iju Road, Agege in Lagos. Note, we don't do payment on delivery outside Lagos. We do it only for Lagos people. If you are outside, you pay ahead. You can see, this is our office. We are not scammers. Our office is 222 Block A, Primatech Shopping Plaza, Iju Road, Agege in Lagos. Then if you're having any other issues, whether you're having low sperm count, you're having what we call a blocked fallopian tube, you're having infertility or any other issue, chat me on my WhatsApp number that you're going to be seeing on the screen. I love you all. Make sure you get rid of infection out of your system, because it's the major thing that always causes infertility in both men and women. Thank you very much. I love you all.